In this lecture, we see the example number 6 in the miscellaneous exercise 1. Here, construct the truth table. Okay, such type of the examples we have already learned in our lecture number 7. The construct the truth table of the symbolic form. Okay, that is a statement pattern. Okay, there is a given a statement pattern. We construct the truth table for this statement pattern. That means we want to find the truth values of this statement pattern. There is a no given, it is a truth value of the individual statement, that is a P or Q. So here we find the all combinations of the truth values, that is the truth table. Okay, here this is we already discussed, but here we see the examples in the miscellaneous exercise, same examples as our lecture number 7. Okay, here the construct the truth table of the following statement. It is a given statement, negation P or negation Q double implies negation of P and Q. There are the two statements, that means there is a 4 possibilities, okay, of the truth values. Okay, now the truth table. Yes, there are the 4 possibilities. See carefully. Here it is a P, first statement, it is a P and Q. Okay, there are the 4 possibilities: true, 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 false, false, true, and last it is false, false. Now we want to find negation P or Q. So first find the negation P, then negation Q, then find negation P or negation Q. Now here negation P, P statement, it is a true, true, false, false, therefore negation P, it is a false, false, true, and it is true. Negation Q, it is true, 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 it is false, true, and false. It is a Q, negation Q, it is a false, true, false, true, false, true, false, and it is true. Now negation P or negation Q, or means at least one is true, then truth value is true, at least one. Here it is a false or false, it is false, it is true, true, and it is true. It is a truth value of this statement, negation P or negation Q. Now we want to find first it is a P and Q, then negation of P and Q, and finally negation P or negation Q double implies this negation P or P and Q. First find the P and Q, then find negation of P and Q, and here last negation P or negation Q double implies negation P, negation of P and Q. Here double implication of these two statements. First find the P and Q. In the and both are true, then truth value is true. It is true, false, false, and false. True, false, false, and it is false. Now negation of that statement, it is a false, true, true, and it is true. Negation of this statement. Okay, and now we want to find the double implication of these two statement. Here double implication of these two statement. Okay, and in the double implication, when both are the same, then result is true. False double implies false, true. True double implies true, true. True double implies true, true. True double implies true, true. Now here it is true, 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 and it is true. It is a truth table for this statement pattern, and here all of the truth values are true. That means this statement pattern is called the tautology. Okay, but here the question is asked only the construct the truth table. It is a truth table, it is a last answer, final answer. But when the question is asked determine the statement is tautology, contradiction, or contingency, then all of are true, then it is a tautology, it is a last answer. Or the question is asked construct the truth table of the statement and interpret your result, or write the conclusion. Okay, then the conclusion of this truth table, the given statement pattern is a tautology. Okay, because all truth values, all combinations of the truth values are true. Okay, now we see the next example. Next, example number 3. Negation of negation P and negation Q or Q. Okay, again here the two statement, that means the four possibilities. Here, first find the negation P, then negation Q, then negation P and negation Q, then negation of negation P and negation Q, and last, okay, here it is negation of negation P and negation Q, and here negation of negation P and negation Q or Q, negation of negation P and negation Q or Q. Okay, now first find the negation P. It is P, so negation P, it is a false, false, true, true. Then negation Q, it is a negation Q, therefore it is Q, therefore negation Q, it is false, true, false, true. Now negation P and negation Q, in the end both are true, then result is true. It is false, 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 and it is true. False, 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 and it is true. Okay, see carefully this. Now negation of this statement, it is a true, 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 and it is false. Here we want to find the negation of negation P and negation Q. It is negation P and negation Q, it is, and here its negation true, 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 and it is false. Here it is a negation. Now we want to find the OR of negation of P and negation Q or Q. In the OR, at least one is true, then truth value is true. Here it is a true, 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 and last only it is a false. Okay, here true, 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 and it is false. Okay, here it is Q and it is this statement. Here true, 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 and last false, false, both are false, then result is false. Okay, see carefully this. Now we see the next example. Here example number 5. Negation P or Q and Q implies R implies P implies R. Okay, here there are the three statements, that means the 8 possibilities. Okay, we can write here the truth table is, first we write P, then Q, then R. Okay, here the 8 possibilities. Here for the P, 4 times true and 4 times false. Okay, here all possibilities of the truth values of the 3 statement. Here it is for the Q, 2 times true, 2 times false, 2 times true, 2 times false, then true, false, true, false, true, false, true, and it is last false. Now we want to find the truth table for this statement pattern. First find the negation P or Q. First find the negation P, then negation P or Q. Okay, here it is a negation P or Q. Negation P, P it is this, therefore it is false, false, false and false. 4 times false, 4 times true. It is a negation P. Now negation P or Q, or, and it is a Q with Q. Negation P or Q. At least one is true, true. Here it is a true, true. It is false, false. Then true, 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 true. Only the third and fourth is false and all of true. It is a true, true, false, false. Okay. It is false, 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 false. In the or, both are false, then result is false. Then it is true, 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 and it is true. Okay. Here it is a first bracket, that is the negation P or Q. Now we want to find this. Q implies R. Q implies R. And then find this square bracket, that is negation P or Q, and Q implies R. Okay, here this square bracket. First find the Q implies R. Q implies R. In the implication, first statement is true and second is false, then result is false. Okay, first statement it is a Q and second statement it is a R. True implies true, true, false, true, 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 it is false, true, true. That means the second and it is a sixth is false and other are true. True implies true, it is a true. True implies false, it is false. False implies true, it is true. False implies false, it is true. True implies true, it is true. And here true implies false, it is false. Then true and then true. Okay, it is Q implies R. Now we want to find the negation P or Q, and Q implies R. It is negation P or Q and it is Q implies R. And of these two statements, and means both are true, then result is true. Okay, here it is a true, false, 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 it is true, false, true and true. That means true, then false, false and true, false, false and true, false, true and true, it is true, false, true and it is true. Okay, now then P implies R. And last, it is negation P or Q and Q implies R implies P implies R. It is a last. Okay, now first find the P implies R. Again here implication. In the implication, first statement is true and second is false, then result is false. Okay, P implies R. Here true implies true, true, it is false, true, it is false, then true, true, true and true. Only the second and fourth is false. True implies false and it is true implies false. Second and fourth is false and other are true. It is true, false, true, false, then it is true, true, true and last it is true. Okay, only the second and it is fourth is false and all of are true. Now last, here negation P or Q and Q implies R is this statement. Implies this P implies R. That means implication of these two statements. Implication, again implication. Implication means first true and second is false, then truthful is false. First true and second false. It is first and it is second. It is true, true, it is again true. Okay, first false, second true आहे. Implication मध्ये काय, first true and second false असलं तर false. Okay, it is true, 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 true and true. All of are true. True, 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 true and it is true. Okay, here true implies true, true, false implies false, it is true, false implies true, it is true, false implies false, true, true implies true, true, false implies true, true, true implies true, true and it is true implies true, it is true. Okay, all of true. That means it is again tautology. Okay, it is a construction of the truth table. Now we see the next. Now the example number 7, determine the following statement patterns are the tautology, contradiction or the contingency. Okay, such type of the examples already discussed in our lecture number 8, tautology, contradiction and the contingency. Tautology means the all entries in the last column of the truth table are the true, then this statement pattern is called the tautology. And contradiction means if the all entries in the last column of the truth table are false, then it is called the contradiction. And contingency, it is all entries in the last column, all entries in the last column are the neither true nor false. Okay, that means neither tautology nor contradiction. Okay, all entries. Okay, then that means it is a contingency. Okay, now we see this first example. First we construct the truth table for this statement. Okay, now truth table for this statement. There are the two statements, that means the four possibilities. Here P, then Q. Okay, here true, 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 false, false, true, and last is false, false. Now we want to find the P implies Q. First find the P implies Q. Then we want to find the P implies Q and negation Q. It is a P implies Q, but here not it is a negation Q. There is a given Q. So here first find the negation Q. Then find P implies Q and negation Q. Okay, here this square bracket, and lastly this statement implication with negation P. Okay, so first find the negation P, and then the implication of these two statements. Here it is a P implies Q and negation Q implies negation P. Okay, now first construct the truth table. First P implies Q. In implication, first is true and second is false, then result is false. Okay, so it is a true, it is false, true and true. It is an implication. Now negation Q. Q is this statement. Negation Q, it is a false, true, false and it is true. Then P implies Q and negation Q. Here it is a P implies Q and it is negation Q. Okay, and in and both are true, then truth value is true. Here true and false, false. It is false, false, and only this last condition it is a true. Then it is a false, false, false and it is true. Okay, now the negation P statement, it is a true, true, false, false. Therefore negation P, false, false, true and true. And now last P implies Q and negation Q implies negation P. Okay, implication. In the implication, first is true and second is false. It is false, otherwise true. That means false implies false, true. False implies false, it is true. False implies true, it is true. And true implies true, it is again true. That means all truth values in the last column are true. And that is the statement pattern is a tautology. Okay, here from above truth table, all truth values in last column are true, and therefore the given statement, it is a P implies Q and negation Q implies negation P is a tautology. Okay, now let's see the next example. Next it is the example number 2. P or Q and negation P. P or Q and negation P and negation Q. Okay. Now, first construct the truth table for this statement pattern. There are only two statements, that means the 4 possibility. It is a P, Q. Okay, 4 possibilities. It is a true, 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 false, false, true, and it is false, false. Okay, first find the P or Q. P or Q. Then negation P. It is negation P. Okay. Now P or Q and negation P. P or Q and negation P. And last, P or Q and negation P and negation Q. So first find the negation Q. And then it is lastly the given statement pattern P and Q, P or Q and negation P and negation Q. Okay. Now find the truth values of these statements. P, Q, it is OR. In the OR, at least one is true, then result is true. That means only the last case is false. It is a true, true, true and false. Negation P, true, true, false, false. Therefore negation P, false, false, true, true. Then P or Q and negation P. P or Q and negation P. In the AND, when both are true, then truth value is true. In AND, it is false, false, it is true and false. False, false, true and false. Now negation Q. Q, it is a true, false, true, false. It's negation. False, true, false, true. Now here P or Q and negation P and this negation Q here. And in the AND, when both are true, then result is true. Here it is a false, 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 and it is also false. False, 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 and it is false. From above truth table, all truth values in the last column are false, and therefore the given statement pattern P or Q and negation P and negation Q is a contradiction. Okay. All entries in the last column of the truth table are false, therefore it is a contradiction. Okay. Now we see the next example. Here is example number 7. P or negation Q or negation P and Q and R. Okay, here see carefully, there are the 3 statements, that means the 8 possibilities. First we construct the truth table for this statement. Here first P, okay, solution. First P, then Q, then R. Okay, here P, true, 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 4 times true and 4 times false. Okay, Q, 2 times true, 2 times false. R, it is a true, false, true, false, true, false, true, and it is false. Okay, now first find the P or negation Q. So first find the negation Q, then find P or negation Q. Okay, negation Q, it is Q, true, true, false, false. Therefore, negation Q, it is a false, false, true, true, false, false, true, and it is true. Then P or negation Q, it is P and it is negation Q, and the or, in the or, at least one is true, then truth value is true. When both are false, then truth value is false. Here, true, 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 true. Here it is a false, false, true, and true. Only the fifth and sixth are false, and all of are true. True, 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 true. Only it is a false or false, false or false. It is false, false, and again it is true, true. Okay. Now, next, negation P and Q. First find the negation P. Then negation P and Q. Okay, negation P, it is a P, 4 times 2, 4 times false. Negation P, 4 times false, 4 times true. Okay, then negation P and Q. Okay, and Q, and means when both are true, then result is true. Okay, here negation Q, negation P and Q. Here it is false, 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 false. Here it is a true, true, false, false. Only it is a fifth and sixth are true and all of false. Then it is a false, 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 false. Only it is negation P and Q. It is a true and true, true and true. Both are true, then result is true. And it is false and false. Now, it is a P or negation Q or negation P and Q. That means or of these two statements. Here, P and negation Q or negation P and Q. Okay, here, or of these two statement. In the or, at least one is true, then result is true. It is true, 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 true. All of are true. It is a true, 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 and it is true. Okay, here in the or, at least one is true, 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 true. It is true, 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 and it is true. Now last, P and negation Q or negation P and Q and R. Okay, here that means and of this statement, this and R, and in the R, sorry, it is in the and, both are true, then truth value is true. Both are true. Okay, here it is a true, false, true, false, true, false, true, and false. When both are true, it is true. That means here it is a true, false, true, false, true, false, true, and it is false. Okay, here it is a all are the tautology and it is a R. Okay, here we see the algebra of the statement. It is tautology and R. That means R and true. Okay, it is a statement itself. That means it is a R statement. Okay, but here we determine it is a tautology, contradiction, or the contingency, and here it is a neither tautology nor contradiction, so it is a contingency. Okay, here all truth values are neither true, all, okay, all truth values nor false. Okay, म्हणजे सगळेच्या सगळेच ट्रू नाहीत किंवा सगळेच्या सगळेच फॉल्स नाहीत. ओके, अँड देअरफॉर P or negation Q or negation P and Q and R is contingency. Okay, here see carefully, It is a truth table. We first construct the truth table and then we write it is a tautology, contradiction or the contingency. Okay.
जेवायला जेवायला
चला